Hello students, it's wonderful to be teaching you again. I'm your teacher, Miss O'Brien. Now, as you remember in the last video, I went over math and showed you more about word problems using all the four operations. So if you remember, we used the four operations: multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. We also were able to look for key words in word problems such as more than and less than, which helps us, in a way, figure out what operation will be needed in that word problem. So, if we remember, in the last video, we had a word problem that looked like this. Ticketmaster.com is selling tickets for a Shawn Mendes concert. They can sell one ticket for each seat in the Webster Bank Arena. The arena has 10 rows of chairs. There are 6 chairs in each row. Write a multiplication equation to show the total number of chairs in the room. So we took our 10 rows of chairs and we just multiplied it by 6 chairs in each row. Now, Ticketmaster.com has already sold 40 tickets, so they've taken away those 40 tickets. How many more tickets can they sell? Write the number. So we want to keep our 10 times 6, which equals 60. They've already taken away, so we know we want to subtract 60 minus 40, and that gives us our 20. And when we do 40 plus 20, it equals 60. Awesome. So keeping that in mind, what we're going to focus on today is I will be showing you how to use a digital software tool that is used on a computer or tablet to help all of you with these problems. We all know about what a computer is, right? And how to use the basics of it. So this software that I'll be showing you today is called the Talking Calculator, and the website is http://pbskids.org/cyberchase/mathgames/calculator. So when we go to this tool, this shows up when we go to that website, the Talking Calculator. Now, why this is a great tool is when you put in a number, the calculator says it back to you. With this tool, we can solve the word problems using an audio calculator. So let's just say I simply want to know what 10 plus 20 is. So we want to clear what we have on our calculator.
Clear.
And we want to know what 10 plus 20 is. So we're going to take our 10.
1. 10.
And we want to use our addition button.
Plus.
And we want to plus it by 20.
2. 20.
And we want to know what that is. So we want to press our equal button.
Equals 30.
Awesome. So this is really handy. So we can have that voice recognition back to us. Now, when doing math, we always have numbers, right? So with that, we can write out numbers and do the problems on paper, but for some of us, that can be a little hard. So with this calculator, we are able to simply put the numbers right in it, and it will actually talk back the answer and voice the numbers to us. I know for some of us, it can be a little hard to write down numbers on a piece of paper, or we may not be able to hear it right. So with this, we can put in numbers, and we will have it voiced back to us. So let's go back to one of the word problems that we just went over with our Shawn Mendes concert tickets. So remember, there were 10 rows of chairs, and there are 6 chairs in each row. So remember, we wanted to do our 10 times 6. So let's clear.
Clear.
And let's take our 10.
1. 10.
And let's times it by 6.
Multiplied by 6.
And let's press equal, so we get our answer.
Equals 60.
So there's a 60 that we were working with. And remember, they already sold 40 tickets. So we know we want to subtract. So we want to just press our subtract button.
Minus.
And they've already sold the 40 tickets, so we're just going to plug in our 4 and 0.
4.
And we want to know how much that now is. So we want to press our equal button.
Equals 20.
Okay, so there's that 20 that we would have got from our last problem that we were working in. So great. So what we see that we need to take the 20 and just simply have that. So let's try one sample problem. So remember, in our last video, we had the problem that looked like this. Charlie has 20 cupcakes he brought in for his classmates for his birthday, and there were 10 kids in the classroom. How many can Charlie give to each student? So remember, he had his 20 cupcakes, and there were only 10 kids in the classroom. So I want you to do now is pause this video, and you test out the talking calculator using that word problem that we used in the last video. So remember, he has his 20 cupcakes, and there were 10 kids in the classroom. So keep that in mind when using the talking calculator. So take some time and pause this video. Okay, great. So we want to clear.
Clear.
Now, if we did our 20 cupcakes,
2. 20.
and remember, we want to divide it.
Divided by.
And there were 10 kids in the classroom.
1. 10.
And we want to know how much that is. So we want to press our equal button.
Equals 2.
Awesome. So that each kid got 2 cupcakes in the classroom. So we can use the talking calculator with any kind of math for anything. So let's just use another sample number.
Clear.
So we want to clear it. You always press clear to get back to your beginning. Let's just say we have 78.
7. 78.
And we want to just minus 20.
Minus 2. 20.
So let's go back to our equal button so we know how much that is.
Equals 58.
So listen, so it's just 58. So the talking calculator is really handy because as we can see, it actually voices back the numbers back to us. And whenever we want to start from the beginning, just remember,
Clear.
the clear button. That will always get you back to the beginning. Okay, great job. So remember, technology is really helpful. And we can use technology for helpful tools such as the talking calculator. All we have to do is just find the numbers from our word problem or question and put them right in, and it will give us the audio of those numbers. We can even get more technology savvy using various technology calculators. Okay, awesome job everyone. I hope you all had so much fun as I did today, and hopefully we can use some more fun tools just like the talking calculator. It's always fun to use technology. That's all for me today. I hope to teach you all again soon. Great job today, and have a great day. Bye everyone.